check it out for a minute. And as I done this hotel, I'm going to call you and you bring me there.
I'm just enjoying this nice little time and thing, but I think it's that much of dinner. I mean, going for a take a little walk.
Over there.
After, go outside and get some fresh air and then.
So he's stubborn because the poor blind, take it for you. You know, man.
What's it called again? Chicken? Yeah, in the morning.
Travis?
Yeah, Kiki, what's going on?
Hey, what would you tell me, Omer? Yes, them things, I really need it.
Oh, the thing, man, I know you really need it and thing, man, but right now you buy in Guyana, you buy take a trip to Suriname, so yeah, but when I come back here and get it done, just gotta understand. Yeah, right now they're busy there so much. Later, right?
Yeah, sorry, now. Yeah? Oh, okay. Alright, Carry about there.
Right now I'm gonna get some fish here and thing, man, so yeah, at least you can see me like into you and thing, man. Yeah, you don't know you buy car, you body, you don't get the money and so now you come back and thing, Alright, good.
Oh, so it's E. I think I see it. So now. Oh, what is it? Yeah. Alright. Good.
Buddy, I tell you, you don't get anything later, buddy.
Hey, you see where you get me at? Yes, see?
You ain't got nothing for me now, buddy. How you like this?
You like about the fucking thing in China, you know?
You
right over there, you know?
No.
Guys, thank you for watching this video.
I know. Like, subscribe, share, hit the follow button right there.
You don't know, comment. One love, one peace, Suriname.
Alright.
You don't know. Up.